How to fix Instagram story effects problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story effects easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then go to the Instagram right here. As you can see, click on this force stop option and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back into the apps manager. Right here you will find all the apps as you can see. So you have to search for the Google Play Store right here and click on it and then click on this force stop option. And now the last thing you want to do is just go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and click on update, and you can do the same thing on the iOS iPhone. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you have to remove Instagram and install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.